Hello, welcome to AWW Codes. This is a video series on SQL. I have used Snowflake to run SQL queries. If you do not have Snowflake account, you may want to watch first two videos from playlist SQL from this channel and then you can come back to this video. Those videos are on creating Snowflake account, creating tables and loading data into those tables. I'm going to explain inner join in this video. Let's start. In this video, you will learn how to join two or multiple tables to fetch data. We will also see how we can join a table with itself to get required details. It is also possible to use select query presenting tabular results in place of table name while doing join operation. We will also see that. What is inner join? Inner join selects all rows from joined tables as long as there is a match between deleted columns. Other rows will not be shown in the query result. This is the syntax that can be used to perform inner join operation. We mention column names in select statement. From table 1, inner join table 2. Join keyword is must in join operations. As inner join is default, we can skip the keyword inner. On defines how we are matching records from two tables. Only matching records from joined tables will be shown in result. Suppose we have two tables, table T1 with a column col1. It has 3 rows. Table T2 also has a column with same name col1. Table T2 has 4 rows. This is the query to perform inner join. You can relate this query with syntax. We have mentioned columns in select statement that we need in the result. Both tables have same column name. If we just mention col1 in select statement, it will create confusion. Col1 should be fetched from which table? T1 or T2? So we have mentioned T1.col1 with alias T1 underscore col1 and T2.col1 with alias T2 underscore col1. We are joining these two tables on matching values from both the tables. We will have two columns in result as per our selection. We have ordered results based on these two columns in ascending order. As shown in result, we don't see 4 in result because there is no match in table T2. Also, we don't see 1 as it's only available in table T2, not in T1. In last video, we started our discussion on joins with a problem. We wanted to fetch details student ID, name, department ID and department name. Student ID and name can be fetched from table students. We have fields student underscore ID, student underscore fname and student underscore lname. Department name can be fetched from table dpt. dpt underscore ID is available in both the tables. So let's write a SQL query to fetch the details. Let's put column in the select statement. We need student underscore ID, then student underscore fname, student underscore lname, then we need dpt underscore id and dpt underscore name. From table students, we will give alias to this table as s. Inner join dpt. For dpt we will use alias as d. On, we will be joining these two tables on dpt underscore id. s.dpt underscore id is equal to d.dpt underscore id. And as dpt underscore id, this field is available in both, we will fetch it from any of the table. Let's fetch it from students. So either we can mention table name here or we can just mention the alias that we are using. Let's execute this query. Here, as per our requirement, we have all the details for all the students. We just joined two tables to get required result. Now we will see how we can join 3 tables. We have head of department available in table dpt, but it is just ID. Details related to teachers are stored in table teachers. We have prof underscore name column in this table. head underscore of underscore DPT from table DPT is related to prof underscore ID column from table teachers. Let's change our last query to fetch head underscore of underscore DPT and prof underscore name from teachers as HOD underscore name. Remove this semicolon. We will join result of this query with teachers. Let's put additional columns that we need. Head underscore of underscore DPT and prof underscore name as HOD underscore name. Here we will put inner join teachers. We will use T as alias for teachers on D dot head underscore of underscore DPT is equal to T dot prof underscore ID. Let's execute this query. Here is the result. We have details related to student, department and HOD of the department in this result. Result of query presenting tabular result can also be used in join operation. We will try to use a select query. I will replace DPT with our query. Let's say our query will only return data related to department with department ID as 10. Let's execute this. Here is the result. The result contains only data related to department 10. Now we will see how to join a table with itself. This is also known as self-join. In table students, we have a field project underscore partner underscore ID, which shows the student ID of project partner for the particular student. Suppose we want to find out project partner name for every student. Please note, project partner is also a student. We want to get details, student ID, name, project partner ID, partner name. Let's write a SQL query to do this. Select. We will mention column names in a while. From students, inner join students. We need to use alias here. For left side, we will use alias as S, and on the right side, we will use alias as P. As we need to find out partner for every student, we need to match S dot project underscore partner underscore ID with P dot student underscore ID. Now let's put columns in select statement. S dot student underscore ID to get student ID. We will fetch full name of students. Concat function can be used here. Concat. As this is a function, we need to pass parameters. We need to pass values that we need to concatenate to this function. We will pass student underscore fname as first parameter and student underscore lname as third parameter. We will pass space in single quotes as second parameter to keep space in full name of the student. Let's give alias as student underscore name. Then project underscore partner underscore ID from S. Now we need partner name. So again we will use concat function, but this time we need to fetch the details from P. We will give alias as partner underscore name. We will sort the result based on student underscore ID in ascending order. Let's execute the query. In result, we have student ID, name, partner ID along with partner name. We have total 77 students, but this result shows 76 rows, as student with student underscore ID at 77 does not have any partner. That's it for this video. If you have any questions related to this video, please comment in comment section. You will find all the queries used in this video in a GitHub repository. The link is mentioned in description. Please subscribe to this channel to get more videos and updates. I will see you in next video. Thank you and happy learning.